With the release of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung has finally fixed the problem that Samsung users have had since the S21 Ultra came out. All 5 cameras on the front and back of the S21 Ultra can record 4K video at 60 frames per second, but they can't switch lenses while the video is being recorded. You'll have to stop recording and start over with a new clip that has a different focus length. This means that the video you're making won't be one long video. This restriction has made a lot of Samsung users angry, but it doesn't seem to be a problem with iPhones. It's puzzling why Samsung hasn't turned on this small, but useful tool that would make the experience better for everyone. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the first phone from the company to let you switch between cameras while taking 4K video at 60 frames per second. The iPhone 15 Pro Max does not have this feature. The S24 Ultra will also let users zoom in and out smoothly while recording 4K movies at 60 frames per second, which is the same feature that the iPhone 15 Pro Max already has. Before the S24 Ultra, I couldn't wait for Samsung phones to get this feature, so I'm glad it will finally be here with that phone. A screenshot from recently made public shows that the phone can record 4K movies at 120 frames per second. Samsung has also added a night mode for taking videos, which is a big improvement for the S24 Ultra cameras. Should Samsung be able to get better at processing videos, it could become the new leader in video quality. Now we'll talk about leaks and gossip. The original spare parts for the S24 line have been leaked in real life. They include circuit boards, a flex cable for the screen, and a ribbon wire for the power and volume buttons. I'm not sure if you're interested in that, but if you are, you can go. Now, let's talk about the different colors the Samsung S24 Ultra comes in. Samsung only sells certain colors in certain stores, both online and off. Some colors are only available on their website. For example, the S24 Ultra is only available in shades that are only available on their website. These colors are less bright and seem more muted than last year's models. Just wanted to let you know that if you want to buy something online but haven't seen it yet, make sure you look at review videos or pictures first to see how the colors look. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.